In this tutorial, we will go through how to post goods receipt for an inbound delivery. Open the Fiori app. Post goods receipt for inbound delivery. Start by inserting the inbound delivery number into the search field. If you do not know the number, use the search function to look up the relevant inbound delivery based on criteria like the supplier or shipping point. Once the delivery is displayed, select the relevant item lines you need to receive. You might not be posting the receipt for all items at once. Then, choose the correct quantity you are physically receiving. The system automatically proposes the full open quantity by default. Update the quantity if you are receiving a partial amount. After verifying the quantity, specify the correct stock type for the incoming material. This could be unrestricted use, quality inspection, or blocked stock. Finally, click the Post button to confirm the goods receipt. The system will confirm that the goods receipt has been successfully posted.